I love a trip to the seaside. I find it very restorative. All that wonderful fresh air, freezing cold salty dips in the sea, amazing rugged coastline, beautiful scenic walks in nature, time spent on the beach. Really, what's not to love? Well, maybe what it does to my hair. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share with you what I pack for one night away, how I protect and style my hair before a day at the beach, and also how I then repair and nourish my hair once I'm back home. Packing for one night away, well, I want the bare minimum, to be honest. I only really have a couple of essential products. Firstly, something to tie my hair back in. Usually what I do is take a claw grip and a hair tie of some kind, be it a satin scrunchie or one of my nylon hairbands from Kitsch. That way I've just got a couple of options of how I could style it if I need to put it up. Second product is a lightweight oil, and to be honest, 9 times out of 10 that's going to be Olaplex No7 because, well, let's face it, it's teeny tiny, it travels really well. It can smooth away flyaways and frizz, it can help add some slip to your hair if you're going to brush it through, it adds shine, and even if you're doing an updo, I like to have Olaplex No7 to hand, so that always gets packed in the toiletry bag. And then finally, if I'm going away for a night, I am taking my very sexy satin bonnet with me. Just in case you couldn't read that, that was sarcasm. I know it is not sexy. I wouldn't be without this nighttime protection tool now. It is so easy to use. I actually find that it helps reduce frizz as I sleep, and I love it, regardless of how ridiculous I may or may not look in it. One extra product I did take away this time was actually a nighttime hair serum, and that's because I'm doing some testing of lots of different products that you use overnight that are supposed to either help strengthen hair or repair it, add shine. They're supposed to have a positive effect while you sleep. So I did also take that on this occasion. By the way, if you're not already a subscriber, but that sounds like a video that you would like to watch in the future, then if you click subscribe and hit the bell button, you'll get notified when new videos become available. And I would love to have you subscribe to the channel, so thank you if you do decide to do that. When I'm styling my wavy hair, I do consider what activities and what I may be doing in the next couple of days after I wash it. And so for a day at the beach, I absolutely am just going to choose for something very low maintenance and low effort, which generally means styling my hair wavy. This time I opted to follow my shower styling routine. I will link that above for you. It is so quick and easy to do, and I find that I don't get too precious over frizz or how the curls and waves look, and it holds up really well against all the elements. That said, I don't think there's any routine that would have saved my hair from the amount of salt, sea, wind, and yeah, just general weather that affected it this time. It did get really knotted and really tangly, which left me with very little choice. So in the evening, all I did was an updo, and I opted for my very simple claw grip routine. If you would like to see how to do that, I will link the video in the description box, and it is hairstyle number 5. That will make sense once you start watching the video. I'm a woman who really appreciates quick and easy routines, whether that is my skincare, body, hair care, which is why I love the satin bonnet so much. But as I mentioned, on this occasion I was using a night serum, so this is how I applied it. My hair was so tangled and so dry at this point. The wind and the salty air, well, it had done a real number on my waves. I was actually very pleased to have packed this repair serum. I do need quite a few pumps of this stuff to get good coverage. It's got a lightly creamy texture, not in any way oily or buttery. I just rub it between my hands and then glaze it and smooth it over sort of my mid-lengths and ends. I will cover my roots as well, but usually just with the residue left on the palms of my hands. And that's it. That's literally as long as it takes. I now just pop on my satin bonnet and I'm ready for bed. Okay, and then finally post-trip. Once I was back, I couldn't wait to wash my hair because it just felt dry and salty, and it was really, really tangly, I think, from all the wind. This is not specific to the routine, but I just feel like I need to chat about something really quickly with you. Now, on this particular occasion, I had very kindly been gifted some products from a company that I'm actually not going to mention, which will become clear in a moment. And I thought, great, this is a good opportunity to try out their products. And I feel very grateful when I am approached by brands and asked, can they send me things? Would I talk about things on my channel? But I also feel a little bit uncomfortable because it's really important to me that anything I talk about or share with you is something that I would go and spend my own hard-earned money on. That's sort of my guideline to myself. And if that is not the case, you will never hear about the product from me. Whenever I'm approached by a brand, the first thing I say, well, the first thing actually is thank you, because I think that's a very fortunate situation to be in. But then I always ask, are they willing to work on a no obligation basis? And this particular brand had contacted me with 4 products they wanted to send me: shampoo, conditioner, treatment mask, and another product. And they had agreed, yes, absolutely, no obligation to post, test the products out, see what you think. Now, unfortunately, they didn't do what I want a wash routine to do for my hair. So I filmed it, and I'm not obviously going to show you that footage. However, I can share with you obviously the steps and the details that I would take. So first up, it had to be a pre-wash bond repair treatment, and this time I opted for Olaplex. My hair just really needed some TLC. I'd also been to the gym by this point, which meant as well as being salty, dry and tangled, it was now also sweaty. I know, what a delightful cocktail. Used my continuous spray bottle to get my hair nice and wet. And yes, I do appreciate it's better to do this on clean or freshly washed hair, but it's quicker this way. And also I knew that I was going to do an intensive conditioner after shampooing, so pre-wash it was. I applied all over and just left for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then I jumped into the shower and rinsed it all out and followed it up with a shampoo. In this situation, I want something really hydrating that is also going to do a really good job at cleansing my hair. I would opt for something like OGX Bond Protein Repair, the one in the red bottle, Dove Bond Strength, that line. I absolutely love that shampoo. It is so nourishing. So yeah, something that's going to cleanse, not strip, and help to nourish my hair. Then I would go in with a deep conditioner. So I wouldn't go in with a typical conditioner and then a mask, because that weighs my hair down. Instead, I go straight in with something really intensive. So on this particular occasion, I actually washed my hair and then I applied the mask that the brand had provided and left it on for a good 30 minutes. And to supercharge it, I actually applied a plastic, shower cap and my hat steamer. Oh, I love that thing. It is so good. It sort of supercharges any mask that you use because you plug it in and it heats up while the mask is on. It's all quite lovely experience, to be honest, but obviously it takes a little bit more time. But on this particular occasion, I really felt like my hair needed extra nourishment. After a good 30 minutes of enjoying my hat steamer, I then just fully rinsed and styled as usual. However, if it is hot and humid conditions that your hair is going to be facing, you may find it helpful to watch this video because I tackle Florida's 90% humidity levels. Thank you as always for watching. Take care, have a lovely day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.